Hey guys, before start this video, I want to tell you something about my gaming channel. Yes, you heard right. I created gaming channel which is Gaming Radio. I have also 2 videos there which are Far Cry New Dawn gameplays, but I will upload more videos soon. It will be great if you check out and support my gaming channel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out. Hey, what's up guys, Fezo here, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to give you guys free webcam overlay template. You can use it on your YouTube stream or Twitch if you want. In the thumbnail, as you can see, it have multiple colors. You can use any color you want. I put the option to change it. You can also change the text, edit the colors. You can also put your logo here if you want. I'm going to show you guys how to do these all things in this video tutorial. But first, download the template itself. You will get the WinRAR file. Just extract it with WinRAR or which application you want, and you will get this folder and template itself. Before opening this template, just go over this folder, open that, and you will get these 2 fonts. Just highlight it and right click on it and click install. Then after installing these fonts, open this template. You will get this webcam overlay template. I put the orange version, but don't worry, you can change it by yourself. If you want to change the color, just go over the webcam group, click this drop down menu, and as you can see, you will see the bunch of groups and layers. Don't touch these layers, only edit these red ones. For example, let's change the color first. Go over this change color layer, double click on the circle one, and you will see this hue saturation group. Just play around this hue, don't touch the saturation and lightness. Just play around the hue. For example, I'm going to set the color, let me see, blue color. Let's change it to blue. Nice baby blue color here, and close this. And if you want to change this this logo here, but it doesn't matter, you can also put your logo here if you want, but I'm going to show you how to change this color. Just go over this, don't touch, and just go to logo area. As you can see, this is the logo area, but don't touch this group. But I'm going to show you this logo area. If you want to put the logo, you can also uncheck this group if you want. But if you want to put the logo on this logo area, just close this don't touch group, go over this your logo here, and uncheck this and put your logo here. But if you don't want to put logo and you want to change this color, just double click on your logo here layer, open the layer style, and go to gradient overlay. Just set your color. For example, I'm going to change it to blue color. Just select first color blue, and second color nice dark blue, a little bit dark, looks great. Click OK, click OK, and click OK again. So here we go. And next part, I'm going to show you how to change this text and this text over here, and also icons. Just open the text group, click this drop down menu, and as you can see, last donator, last follower, and your text here. Just simply select your text tool and move your cursor on your text here, and to write whatever you want. I'm going to write FezoDesigns, and select your move tool, put the text center of this webcam, just like that. You can play around the text if you want. Just select this text and select all of them and click this character option here. If you don't have character option, just go to Windows and select character option here, and change this one, let me see, about 100 or 150. Looks great. And select your move tool and move the text center of this webcam. Here we go, and simply just select your text tool, and you can also edit this last follower and of course last donator. It's very simple to change it, and uncheck, just click this drop down menu, close this text, and next step I'm going to show you how to change the icons. It's very simple, like this text. Just open the icons group and go over the donator and follower. For example, if you want to change the donator, just uncheck this and bring your icon into this project and just put it here or here if you want, and make the color white color or whatever you want. And it's very simple to change it, just like that. Okay guys, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this webcam overlay. You can use it on your Twitch stream, YouTube stream, or whatever video you want. By the way guys, as I told in the beginning of the video, don't forget to check out my gaming channel, which is Gaming Radio. I have also 2 videos on it, but I will upload more soon. If you want, just write a comment below if you want any games to record. I will record it for you, but write the comment first so I can see which game you want. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video.